Okay. So I was telling you about question number 3. Write the multiples of 13 between 50 and 100. So if I ask you to simply write down the multiples of 13, how will you write it? 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65. But if you can see, they are asking between 50 and 100. So that means we need not to write 13, 26 and 50. We will start from 52 because 52 is greater than 50, then 65, then 78. Okay, then 91. Then if you will see, the next will be 104, but 104 is greater than 100. Okay, 104 will be greater than 100. So we will not write 104. We will just write till 91. So 52, 65, 78 and 91 is the answer. I hope all of you understood. Last time most of you were not able to understand this question. So it means that you have to write the multiples of 13, but it should come in the between 50 and 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Now write all factors of 44. So in all factors of 44, I can see many of you are missing a few factors. So 1 and 44 are one of the factor. Next will be 2 and 22. 2 22s are. Then 11 comma 4 also. 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44. These are all the factors of 44. All the factors of 44. Okay. Now 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a multiple of every number.
Factor.
1 is always a factor of a number. So
Factor.
1 is not a multiple of a number. 0 is a multiple of every number. Okay. 1 is a factor of every number. If you can see, if you take out the factor, 1 always comes over there. Understood? All of you have done this? Show me your notebooks now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to see your notebook. See or show me on your video. Show me on your videos itself that you have done this work. I am getting the one by one. I'm taking your name. You can keep these notebooks down. Okay, Vivek, I can see it. Vivek, it's okay. Done. Vivek, keep your notebook down. Om, show me clearly. Om, show me clearly.
Please side.
No, I will not be cited for your revision notebooks on a new page. Maths revision notebook. Revision 2, chapter 5. Revision 2, chapter 5. Okay, write question 1. Check whether 6 is a factor of 1, 2, 9, 6. Write this. Do question 1. Then question 2 is 16 a factor of 8? Question 3 is 9 a factor of 91? This is quite long one. These are short ones. Right? Is 7 a factor of 63? Do these questions. Now I'm going that side to do this question. Okay, I hope you can see this side as well. Okay, question number 5 I'm writing here.
Ma'am, short answers, we have to write yes or no,
Yes.
or we have to write factors of numbers.
Beta, you have to write yes or no. First of all, write down the question in front of it, write yes or no. Show that
Okay.
3016 is a multiple of 29. Question 5. Now question 6 is 72 a multiple of 12. Question 7 is 136 a multiple of 136. Question 8 is 0 a multiple. These are all the questions. 4 there and 4 this side. Do it.
Ma'am, we have to post also.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Obviously, yes. All 8 answers. Do these 4 on one page, these 4 on next page.
Ma'am, what we have to do in first?
These 4 on one page. In this one, you have to do the division. In that one also, you have to do the division, proper division.
Ma'am,
Excused.
ma'am, but I can't send.
It's
but
okay.
I can't
Send
my
it
answer
afterwards.
because I'm on laptop.
Send it to me afterwards.
Okay, ma'am. अब तुमको बुला रहा मेरे लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन
What? What, beta?
Mom, the space left, we can write fifth question in that page also.
Which fifth one? This one? Beta, do it. It's better to do the factor part one page and better to do that part in the next page. Show this one. This is a long question. This one is also a long question.
Ma'am, today we have to submit homework or tomorrow.
Next turn, we will today we have 6 periods.
Numbers in? Ma'am, what are the numbers in 5 question?
Show that 3016 is a multiple of 29. 3016 is a multiple of 29. In 6 period, we will do the reasoning. Okay. Do this quickly, everyone. Taking a lot of time. Tomorrow we'll revise prime numbers and composite numbers. So keep it ready. Prime number, composite number, and divisibility test also. Do this on one page and this one on next page. 5, 6, 7, 8 on next page. 1, 2, 3, 4 on one page. 5, 6, 7, 8 on next page. Most of you are doing it wrong. Check whether 6 is a factor. To check it, Yes, like Vidyansh has done, you can do in the same way, like you can check the divisibility of 6 also. Last digit is 2. Yes, so it is divisible by 2. Let's see it is divisible by 3 or not. 1, 2, 3, 3, 9, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So yes, it is divisible by both. That means it is divisible by 6. This is one of the method. But you can try another method also. That is by dividing. If you don't remember the divisibility, you can simply divide and check whether this 6 is a factor of this number or not. So 6 twos are 12. Subtracted, you will get 0. Then you copy this 9 over here. 6 ones are 6. Subtracted. Then you get 3 here and this 6 will be copied over here. 6 6 are 36 and you will get 0. So what is the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, that means yes. That means yes. Answer 1. Yes, 6 is a factor. I did not have space, so you can write yes, 6 is a factor of 1296. In second one, is 16 a factor of 8? Most of you, even Anjali has written that yes. Why? Beta, factor can never be greater than the number. Factor can never be greater than the number. They are saying 16 is coming, 8 is coming in the table of 6. 16. 8 is coming in the table of 16. 16 ones are 16. It is not coming. That means no. If it would be 18 is a factor, if here it would be 18, 8 and here it would be 16, then the answer will be yes. 8 is a factor of 16, but 16 is not a factor of 8. 16 is a multiple of 8. So second answer is no. Is 9 a factor of 91? So to check again, we will divide 9 ones on 91. 9 tens is 90. So 1 is remainder. That means no. Okay. Now, is 7 a factor of 63? If you recite the table of 67, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 nines are 63 is coming now. That means yes, it is a factor.
I have sent it.
Just listen here, beta, first. Now, next question. Let me come that side first of all. Show that 3016 is a multiple of 29. How we will show this? We will just divide 3016 by 29. Okay, all of you know how to do the division, right? So 29 and here it is 30. So we will do 29 ones are 29. Now we will subtract it. If you subtract from this, you will get 1 here and 0 here. This 1 will be copied over here. Now the answer is not coming. If answer does not come, we put 0 in the this here and copy the next number 6. Now let's check 29 की table में 116 कब आता है? 29 multiply by, let me see, check by 4. This I'm doing in rough. 9 4s are 36. 3 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. Yes, 29 4s are is 11. 116 is coming. 1s are 116. If the remainder is 0, now here, if the remainder is 0, then the answer is yes. Why? Because remainder is 0. Why? Because remainder is 0. Now, is 72 a multiple of 12? They are saying 72 coming in the multiply of 12. If you recite the table of 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 6 are 72 if you see. 12 6 are 72. That means yes. Now, 36 is a multiple of 36. Every number is a multiple of itself. Remember this. Every number is a multiple of itself. हर number अपना multiple होता है, हर number अपना factor होता है. Every number is a multiple of itself. That means yes. Now, 0 is a multiple of every number. 0 is a multiple of every number. That means yes or no. Last one. Tell me quickly.
Ma'am, yes. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, yes.
Now tell me, do you face any problem in any 8 of the questions? If you are unable to understand also, then you can tell me. Do you face any problem in any of these?
No, ma'am.
Do you face any problem?
No, ma'am.
Pakka? If you have, you can ask me.
Ma'am, answer 1, you have divided. So, ma'am, after 9, you have do subtract
Where?
by 6. Ma'am,
Where?
answer 1.
Here. This side?
Yes,
This one?
ma'am.
This one?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
beta. 6
Yes.
ones are 6 because beta there is a little less space. That's why I've done like this. So I'm just doing it with a black pen so that you can see it clearly. Okay, I'm doing it again. Okay. See.
Okay, ma'am.
By check, how can you check it? You will put 1, 2, 9, 6 under it. 6 you will keep here. 6 2s are 12. Subtract this, then you will get double 0 over here. Okay. Now see this step carefully. Now you will copy this 9 over here. When you will copy this 9, let's see when does 9 comes in the table of 6. When does 9 comes in the table or less number than that? 9 does not come, but 6 ones are 6 comes. Okay. Then we will subtract it. The next step is to subtract it. 9 minus 6 is 3. And then you will copy this 6 over here. 6 6 are 36. Now the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, if remainder is 0, that means yes. That means yes, it is a multiple of this number. Understood? Any doubt now? Anybody else have any doubt? You can ask. Now I will take one more. I think you are not able to do this. Okay, I'm just getting some of the answers. Just wait a minute. Prime numbers and composite number. First of all, we will practice this some more questions like this, because I think most of you are unable to do it. You are taking a lot of time. So we'll do it again.